Morning, YouTube. Well, today I am still in Big Bend and I'm gonna go check out the hot springs. It's Wednesday. I'm staying here till the next Monday, so if I really like it I might just come back, but I had to park up a little ways because it says here the road is narrow. They don't want RVs or trailers or dual wheel vehicles down here. I guess it's supposed to get pretty narrow, and there's a loop, but big parking area, a little walk. So let's see what happens. One thing about walking is I get a little bit more idea of some of the geography as I go through the canyon, and I can see why I wouldn't want to bring the bus down here, because this would have just torn off the paint on the side just on that first corner. Yeah, it's not surprising if there's hot springs. The natives would have found it years ago. And of course, the artistic would have kicked in. Well, that's the hot springs. And you can sort of see, maybe you can, along each side there's about 8. Used to be soaking tubs, but they're all sort of full of silt and sand just from people tracking it in. So 105 degrees, which is fine, but today it's almost 80 or 90, I mean. So it's not really, I feel better after a half an hour soak, but now I gotta walk back. So back when the Park Service did such things, they had a little 7-unit motel, kind of hotel kind of thing down here, which I'm sure people came down to take advantage of the hot springs. And of course, if you got a motel or hotel, you need to have a store. And from 1942 to 52, somebody named Maggie Smith ran this store and never let anybody leave hungry or cold. And I believe up on the hillside is probably was her house. We'll get out here a little bit where you can see it. Nice little place. Well, that's my visit. I get to walk back up about a mile uphill to where the bus could park. But if you ever come down here and want to go to the hot springs, I would recommend not coming in the heat of the day. It's pretty brutal. If I come back, it'll be early in the morning or late in the evening. So I talked to somebody, they said they were down here at night. It was beautiful with a clear sky and soaking in the spring. So I am gonna let you go. I'm gonna hike back up and relax, find myself some shade. I'll see you down the road, YouTube.